Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Princess Barbara from the movie My Sweet Monster. Alright, so I'm going to start drawing Princess Barbara. I'm going to start with the eyes. So I'm going to make a upside down U shape, like that. And then I can come around here on the bottom with a line like that. And now we can do a circle and do another circle, and then we're going to have a circle in behind that one, and we can color that one in dark. And now over here we're going to thicken up this part of the eye a little bit, just make it a little bit darker. And then we can add a few little eyelashes. Not too many, just adding a couple. And then we're going to give it a little bit of space, and then we can do the other eye. And we can do the exact same thing. So we can start with our upside down U shape. And we can do that line on the bottom. We can kind of thicken up this part, this side, and then the circle inside, and we can do another circle, and then the circle in behind that one, and we can color that one in dark. And then a few little eyelashes just here on the side. Okay, and now let's bring it on down a little bit. Let's go like around right here, and we can give her a little nose. So got a little line like that, and then I'm doing a little curve inward and coloring in a little nostril. And then right here I'm darkening up a little, another little spot for another nostril. And kind of do a little curved line right there, and come on up a little bit, and right here and give it a little bit of a side, and let's give her some eyebrows too. So above those eyes I'm going to do a little thin eyebrow like that, and we can do the same over here. I'm going to bring this one forward a little bit more. Okay, and now let's give her a little smile. And I'm gonna give a little bottom lip here, and we can do a little top lip as well. And now let's do the shape of the face. So I'm sketching on down, and then her chin is kind of pointy, but not too pointy. And we can come on back up. And let's start on the hair. So I'm going to do a big swoop right there like that. And come on down. She's got some chunky pieces of hair. So you can just kind of put in these big chunks wherever you want, really. And you can kind of put in however many you want. I'm going to put one down here, and over on the side here. And I'm going to put one right there. And I'm also going to give her her ears. So one ear is right there, and the other I'm putting right here behind that chunk of hair. Okay, and we can give a few more chunks of hair. And it's kind of spiky here, and it's coming in behind that ear. All right, and now let's work on the neck a little bit. So we can come on down, and we're gonna come on down this way too. And she's got the rest of her hair is in a braid. So let's put that here behind her shoulder, or not behind her shoulder, sorry, poking out here on the shoulder. So I don't know if you've seen, but on this channel I have a braid tutorial. So the way I do braids is I do like a zigzag shape, and then we can kind of extend those lines a little bit. And then we can curve them. And then we can see that it's making a braid. Like that. And we can bring it on down a little bit further. It's getting smaller and smaller. And then I'll put the little elastic here, and now we've got the end of her braid. Some hair poking out. All right, so her dress, the part of the neck here, it kind of goes like this. And then it would come up right here, but the braid is blocking that. So we can just continue on with the shoulder here of the dress. And over here, you can come on down. And she's got some poofy shoulders on her dress. It's kind of a fun shape. So we got a curve like that, and then her arm can come through. And we can do the same over on this side. So we've got a big poofy sleeve. And then we can do a curve, and then the arm can come through there. And she's got some designs on her dress, but we're not gonna go into too much detail with it. So I just did a line coming down here. So we got a bit of a band there on the neck part of the dress. And here in the middle, we can do a thick line. And I'll put a line right here and another one right there. And we kind of have like a little curvy line there. And I'll bring it down a little bit, give it a little bit of a curve. And she's got, I believe they're kind of like little flowers. So I'll do like a little silly shape here, and maybe a little silly one here and here. All right, so I'm gonna start to color now. Alright folks, so we are finished our doodle for the day, and I hope you have a great day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for our next doodle. Alright everyone, goodbye!